Hello everybody. So today we are in Doletjan in Sweden in the event called Almedalen. In this event, different political parties and NGOs all around Sweden gathers on this island to discuss, to express their views and also to receive input from the public regarding their policies. So different news agencies are here to live broadcast this event to the whole nation. So we, the Uyghurs in Sweden, with the help of Uyghur Educational Association, we came here to inform about the Uyghur issue, but also to receive input and to see the attitude toward the Uyghur issue from different political parties and NGOs in Sweden. And we strongly encourage all around the world that Uyghurs should do the same as us, to go to different political parties and political events to see their attitude, see their views on the Uyghur issue, but also to inform them regarding the Uyghurs. Thank you very much.